Well, I think, Chris, I was pretty good at looking after myself, but conscious that I had this sort of lump around the middle, which didn't seem to be in a rush to go away. So I was keen to work on getting my sort of physical shape a little bit better, losing some weight and perhaps body fat around the middle, and just bombarded that these days with you should eat this, you should eat that, you shouldn't do that, you should do this, and so I thought the opportunity to talk to someone who's an expert in the field about what I could and should perhaps be doing in the longer term, just to have a sort of a better balance of diet in relation to my age and the exercise that I do.
Yeah.
I think possibly the main challenge is we tend to eat out quite a lot. We do a lot of stuff. So being able to stick to a regime of diet was really quite difficult. And I've always been sort of, you think, well, I've been playing hockey, or I've been out playing golf, or been to the gym or something. Yeah, maybe I'll have a pizza, maybe I'll have a pudding and 2 or 3 pints, and you just think, well, I'll be okay because I'm not that overweight. So it's just that, I'd say, an inability to stick to a regime, but not really a desire to do it. So I was sort of my own worst enemy, if you like. So what I was really looking for was something that I could do, which sort of complemented my lifestyle, complemented the sort of food that I like to eat.
Yeah, food you enjoy, yeah.
But allowed a bit of time to sort of freestyle occasionally, and then get back on the piste.
Yeah. You've got a program to follow, so if you fall off, you can go straight back on.
Yeah. Well, probably didn't really have any fears about health other than the sort of normal things that something could happen suddenly you're not aware of. And obviously eating healthily, keeping fit, keeping sort of looking after your mental health, all that other stuff is important. But I didn't really have any fears. There was no desperate health needs. It was, I think, I've been working with you, and I thought it would be a nice, not just a nice to do, but a very useful thing to do, to have a look at what I was putting into my body and what I could just learn about benefit for the future. And
was there any changes in mindset? Because obviously when we started 10 weeks ago, positive, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's all part of what you're putting into your body. Percent of you, and you sort of think, well, okay, that probably could be usefully reduced over a period of time.
Would you say?
Well, I think it's just taking the time to sort of focus on what you're eating. I mean, when I first saw the plan you put together, I thought, bloody hell, he must have mixed me up with some guy twice the size, because it looked like there's so much food. But and the first few days, it felt like quite a challenge to get it all in. But very, very quickly, over 2, 3, 4 weeks, I really look forward to the breakfast. I'm very much a creature of habit. I eat the same thing. What was a very large dinner to get down is now looked forward to and easily consumed. So yeah, I think I've learned a lot. Learned some good things about how to just think carefully about what you're putting in and the benefit of it and the risks of getting it wrong.
Yeah.
I think you're a good coach, and you and I both know a number of people have also been trained by you, and I think universally that is a view. You don't push overly hard, but you are committed to making sure that your client is getting some benefit from what they need to do, and that's good. And it was a natural development to move from the year or so where we're doing the personal training. And as you know, I've had some injury challenges to deal with, which I feel a lot better about, to go on to the diet side of things as well. I think overall the whole sort of holistic approach to it has been good.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Been very good.